How to add your business on Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your business on Google Maps in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. Now it will take you to this page. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and after you click on it, scroll down and click on add your business option right here. As you can see, click on it and click on Chrome to take you to Google Chrome directly. Now all what you have to do is easy, just add and fill all those informations and click next, next, next until you finish, and your business will be added to Google Maps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.